Imagine spending thousands of dollars on new floors only to hate them a month later because they're noisy, uneven, and already scratched. That actually happened to one of my clients. She went with a cheaper quote and regretted very fast. In this video, I'll show you how to avoid that mistake and how to find the best flooring company in Raleigh, North Carolina the first time. So here's what we're going to cover. Which flooring companies in Raleigh are actually delivering high quality work, what real homeowners are saying, both good and bad, and how to compare companies side by side so you don't get misled. If you're searching for flooring near Raleigh, North Carolina, and don't want to waste time, money, or peace of mind, stay with me. Let me tell you about a client I had recently. She called me back a few weeks after hiring another company that came in at about $2,000 cheaper than us. They told her they could install the floors in one day, which should have been the first red flag. But she trusted them, and just a few weeks later, she had scratches, popping sound, and shifting planks. They didn't prep the subfloor, didn't level anything, and it looked okay at first, but it didn't hold up. And now she has to pay even more to fix what they rushed through. This isn't rare. I hear this stuff all the time. So let me break down what separates a great flooring company from the ones that cut corners. First, let's talk about the basics. Are they insured? Do they show up in professional uniforms or branded vehicles? That might sound small, but it tells you if you're dealing with a real business or just some person just trying to make a quick buck. Next, and this one's huge, do they grind and level your subfloor before installing anything? Because most companies around here skip this part completely. They rip out your old floors and start installing the new ones right away. And that's where things go wrong. At the Atlas, we grind and level the entire subfloor. Every single time. That's our standard, not some upgrade or extra charge. You also need to be careful during the estimate process. Are they pushy? Are they throwing around fake urgency like this discount is only good for today? Are they trying to push you into financing without explaining the real price? These are common sales tactics companies use when they're overpriced and trying to rush into saying yes. Don't fall for it. I always tell people, when you're comparing quotes, make sure you're comparing apple to apples. A cheaper quote might look good at first, but what's being left out? Are the materials the same quality? Is furniture moving included? Trim work? Are they doing subfloor preparation? Or are they skipping it? I've reviewed a lot of quotes from other companies, and most of the time I can tell right away they're leaving out half the job. That's how they make you look cheap, but you'll pay for it later. Here's something you can do. Ask them directly, do you grind and level the subfloor on every job? If they dodge the question or seem unsure, that's your answer. And if you're wondering what can happen when you hire the wrong company, let me give you a few examples. Gaps can form between planks, cracking or popping sounds when you walk, scratches and damages show up just after a few months, and worst of all, no one answering the phone when you call to get it fixed. Now here's what we do differently. We offer a lifetime guarantee, not 1 or 2 years, lifetime. We never use random subcontractors. It's always our team, who is trained by myself personally. They are professionals. No one at our company drinks or smokes, and they are held accountable through our software to make sure they take pictures of the project at every step. We document every step of the project so you can see exactly what's going on each day. And we treat your home like it's our own. Let me walk you through one of our projects. This homeowner had uneven floors, a wavy subfloor, and damage throughout. We came in, removed the old materials, grinded this entire subfloor, leveled it completely, and installed the new flooring. The before and after pictures speak for themselves, and we documented the whole thing through company cam so the homeowner could follow along the whole time. But don't just take it from me. Here's what real homeowners in Raleigh are saying. One review said, Atlas Flooring and Design went above and beyond. The prep work was flawless, the crew was professional, and the results blew us away. We'll never use anyone else. Another one said, we made the mistake of hiring a cheap company first. Victor's team came in, fixed everything, and gave us the floor we originally wanted. Night and day difference. We've got over 100 5-star reviews from homeowners right here in Raleigh, and most of them mention the same things: the prep work, the communication, and the professionalism. If you're still comparing flooring companies in Raleigh, I'd love to help. Even if you're not ready to move forward yet, reach out. We'll walk you through your options and give you a free consultation so you know exactly what to expect. Just click the link below this video to learn more. But if you're not ready for that just yet, watch this video here. It's our most popular video, and a lot of Raleigh homeowners have told us it helped them decide to work with us. It walks through the 5 biggest mistakes people make when choosing new flooring and how to avoid all of that. Don't miss it.